What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, so if you haven't read the title, we're going to be checking out this $5 yeah, you heard me, $5 heli, you guys. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of Five Below. If you haven't, you need to go check them out, guys. They got $5 RCs. So I've been there a ton of times, been in there so many times looking at different things and seen these little $5 helicopters. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have as well, and decided to pick one up, you guys. So here is the Raptor Copter by XIB Toys, I guess. XIB RC, I don't really know what the brand is, but this is the brand of a lot of the $5 RCs that they have. It's a Raptor Copter. So I'm pretty sure Christmas coming up, a lot of you guys are going to be picking one up. So I figured I'd go ahead and pick one up and try it out for you guys. Remote control RC helicopter. Flies up to 32 feet. USB charging cord, built-in gyro. Don't forget the batteries, guys. I didn't. So it says landing zone included. It doesn't have like a landing zone inside the box. So give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna pop everything out of the box. I did bring some batteries. I think it's 3 AA batteries you need. So I thought it'd be really cool for $5 to see what we get with this Raptor Copter. Give me a minute to get everything out of the box, you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here's everything out of the box. Really not too much to it. You have the heli here. You have what looks to be like a charging cable, or USB charging cable there. Check that out. You have the remote control. You have an instruction manual. Like I said, it's going to be 3 AA's for the instructions and simple. Trimming button here, on and off switch. It's just a simple 2-channel. We got left and right, yawing, throttle stick, guys. Pretty simple, guy. Belly right here, $5. Really can't ask too much. You guys know I went for blue because that's my favorite color. Check that boy out. Looks pretty cool though. For the low. Switch him out. I guess you're gonna charge this guy underneath there. Yeah, there it is. On and off switch, USB. Real simple, guys. $5. So let me get this guy charged up. We'll go for a quick fly. All right, guys. So here we go. First flight of this Raptor Copter from Five Below. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. It's got a blinker light. Let's go ahead and turn on the remote here. Light goes solid. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. Nothing's happening. Maybe turn on the remote first. Yeah, turn on the remote first. So here we go. The Raptor Copter from Five Below, guys. $5 heli, guys. It actually works. It actually works. I can't believe it. Now there's really no, there's only 2 channels, so there's really no forward or back. You just kind of just hover there and just kind of make your way around. Check it out though. Check it out, guys. Is that cool or what? $5. Yeah, I have really no control of which direction it's going. finna hit the stacks over here. Hopefully it floats my direction. Wow. It actually works though. Check that out. Let's see if we can take off one more time. One more time. The $5 heli. There, guys. You gotta have throttle control though. And we died. Yeah, for $5, guys. This thing is super cool. You just have no control of actually what direction it's gonna go. You only have yaw control. So it kind of just wanders anywhere it wanna go. But $5, I really didn't even expect it to fly, to be honest. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ah. But it actually works, guys. For $5, you can have you some fun. I'm shocked. Let's try one more time. One more time. See if I can trim it a little bit. If you give it a little trim, it's better. If you trim it out, when it spins too much, if you trim it out when it spins too much, it can go straight for a little bit. There you go, guys. Give it a little trim and it's not so bad when it's spinning too much. And then it's actually not a bad flyer.
For the tail line, take off 2 pins, go to 3 pounds. For the tail line, take off 2 pounds, go to 3 pounds.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Gyro got funky. So there you have it, guys. $5 heli from Five Below. It actually works, guys. The Raptor Copter. $5. Pick you guys one up. I'm your boy Drawing with the Dogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Catch you guys in the next episode. I am out. Deuces.